Welcome back to the Rackwarehouse YouTube channel. Today, we are taking a look at the Yakima FatCat 6. The FatCat 6 can carry up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. Its built-in SkiLift system allows for you to get more clearance for your bindings, and both locks and keys are included. The double-jointed hinge system on the FatCat can extend upwards as you close it on your equipment to accommodate for thicker skis and snowboards. To assemble the FatCat, remove the cam levers from the crossbar mounts and place the FatCat onto the mounts. Add a washer and loosely thread the cam lever back on. Repeat this step on the other side as well. To mount the unit on your crossbars, place it in your desired location on the rack and route the straps under the bar. Place the strap into the buckle. You may need to adjust the tension with the gray wheel if the buckle doesn't close with firm resistance. The FatCat is able to accommodate for a roofline that is not perfectly flat with this hinge that can be adjusted to ensure your gear is level. With everything in place, tighten the cam lever. You will see a blue tab close as you do. When fully tightened, make sure that tab is fully depressed to lock the buckle in place. Repeat this sequence for each of the carriers. The FatCat 6 can also be mounted into the channel of Yakima Jetstream bars with a Smart Slot Kit number 2. Adapters are also included for your square or round bars as well. To load your skis or snowboards, press the release lever and load your equipment into the carrier. Skis must be loaded with the tips facing towards the rear of the vehicle. With everything in place, close the carriers and lock it up using the keys included with the FatCat. If your bindings are hitting the roof of your vehicle, you can utilize the built-in SkiLift system to give you more clearance. To set up the SkiLift, loosen the Allen bolt holding the SkiLift in place on the carrier. Drop the lift down and attach the mount to the lift and replace the Allen bolt. With the unit on your crossbars, place the supplied washer on the bolt and thread the cam lever onto the mount again. Make sure the blue clip is fully depressed when fully tightened. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima FatCat 6. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.